Okay folks, I am making a salsa. It's a strawberry salsa and it's going to my granddaughter for the weekend to have. And I know football is right around the corner, so I think probably she'll be serving this, but I'm not sure, but I wanted to share it with you. It's really yummy. My daughter-in-law usually makes this, but I thought I'd give it a try and share it with you all in case you want to make it. So I only halved what I have because my daughter-in-law makes a large quantity. So let's get started. You want 1 container of strawberries, that would be a quart, dicely done up. I tried dicing mine and it was taking so long, so I put it in the food processor and that took so long. So I ended up putting it in the, I have a little chopper machine and that worked fine. I should have started with that to begin with and I didn't. But oh well. These strawberries smell good. Hey Florida Greg, if you're out there, how's my strawberries doing? Okay, next you want 1/4 of a cup of yellow, green, red, and orange. I didn't have green, I thought I did, so I put a little extra yellow, orange, and red in. So we're gonna put this in. Now remember, in the description box, the recipe will be there, so don't forget to look. All right, we're doing that. Now, minced green onion. Right here, we want 1/4 of a cup going right in. In case you guys didn't notice, I'm using my Grammie spoon. She's in the Super Bowl with us. In case you don't know, my grandmother and I were very close and she brought me up. And I always try to put her, when I can, in my videos and use whatever she had passed down to me. And we're gonna use 1 jalapeno. Now me, I could put 2 in here because I love hot stuff. The hotter the better. Be like hot mama. Okay, and then you're going to use 3 tablespoons of virgin olive oil and 3 teaspoons of fresh lime juice. So I have that right here. Smells yum yum. So 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. Just like that. And then you want to put, let's see, there's a lime juice right here. If I was in Mexico, go out and get those fresh limes. Oh, so good. And next we're going to have our sugar, our garlic powder, and our salt. You want 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Going right in, just like this. Lickety split. Yeah. Got this nice Lazy Susan round board my son had given me for Christmas one year, and this makes such a nice salsa. Oh Lord. And when it sets, all the juices start to come out of it, and it's really good. And it all depends how juicy your strawberries are. And you can add a little bit of more of this, that, and the other. But this is basically what it's going to look like. You can put it on Doritos, tortilla chips. We got a couple of strawberries that are kind of big there. But you just want to mix this in really good because you got sugar. You got your seasonings in here. Just like this. And as it sits, the strawberries will start releasing some of its juices and it all works together. It's real mouth-watering. I would love to try this, but it is being gifted to my granddaughter. I hope she's got some Doritos because those I didn't buy for her. I totally forgot. Probably should have, just in case she doesn't have any. But there you have it right there. That's so pretty, and trust me, it is very, very good. So I don't know if you're watching the Super Bowl or who you're rooting for, but I hope everybody has a great time. We are a sports family here. We love our sports. Now Ray, he's not up on sports too much, so I'm not sure if we'll be watching it or not. Whatever he wants to do. There you go. There, I'll cover this up nice, and by the time she gets it and she serves it, it'll be just right, be perfect. As you can see, the juices are starting to release now. And it smells really, really good. I've got this thing, if it smells good, it tastes good. And put my Grammie spoon right in it. So there you have it right there, strawberry salsa. I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up. Share my videos. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And look in the description box below because I will have the recipe. And look up above. I'll be having different recipes in the iCards and in the end. So have a great day. God bless. Try to make this if you can because it's really good. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.